This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 2, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we're going to combine addition and subtraction concepts with measurement concepts. The first question is asking us to show how long the measurement is for line A. Well, if you notice, line A is not lined up directly at the end of my centimeter ruler. There's a couple of different ways I could determine the measurement of line A. Since line A starts at the 2nd centimeter mark and ends at the 11th centimeter mark, I could show the distance of line A using subtraction. 11 centimeters minus 2 centimeters equals 9 centimeters. Another way I could determine the length is if I pictured line A sliding all the way to the end of the ruler where it should start. Since I'm moving backwards 2 spaces, the end of line A would also move backwards 2 spaces, and it would land again on the 9th centimeter. So line A is 9 centimeters long. If I look at line B, it starts at the 6th centimeter mark and it ends at the 14th centimeter mark. Again, using subtraction, I would say 14 minus 6 equals 8. If we followed the same process as we did in line A, if I slid line B to the start of the ruler, that would move line B 6 centimeters backwards. So instead of ending at 14, it would also end 6 centimeters backwards, and that would be at the 8th centimeter. So line B is 8 centimeters long. Together, lines A and B measure blank centimeters. I need to find the total of 9 plus 8. I can break the 8 down into a number bond showing that 8 is the same thing as 1 and 7. This helps me make my 10 here. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus another 7 is 17. So together, lines A and B measure 17 centimeters. The next question says line A is blank centimeters longer or shorter than line B. Well, line A is 9 centimeters, line B is 8 centimeters. So line A is longer than line B by 1 centimeter, since 9 is 1 more than 8. The next question says a cricket started at 23 on the ruler and jumped 5 centimeters forward. Then the cricket jumped back 9 centimeters. Where did the cricket stop? Well, if we start at 23 on the ruler and jump forward 5 centimeters, that would put us at 28 centimeters. So that was a jump of 5. But then the cricket jumped back 9 centimeters. So I have to start at 28 and go backwards 9. Well, I can think about 9 as the same thing as 5 plus 4, which helps me because now I'm going to first jump back 5. That puts me back right where I started. And then from there, I just have to jump back 4 more. So if I'm at 28 and I jump back 9, I end up at 19. So the cricket stopped at the 19 centimeter mark. Question 3 says Marty made a train of 8 red and 8 yellow centimeter cubes. He added 4 more yellow cubes and removed 6 red cubes. Use the number line to find the length of the train now. Well, if we start at the beginning where it says Marty made a train of 8 red and 8 yellow, I'm going to start at the 0 and I'm going to show a hop to show the 8 red, and then another hop of 8 to show the 8 yellow. Now he's going to add 4 more yellow cubes, so we'll do another hop of 4, and that takes us to 20 cubes altogether. Now he's going to remove 6 red cubes. That means the total distance of the train will be 6 less than 20. So I'm going to jump backwards from 20 by 6 cubes. So if I jump back from 20, I could do a jump of 4 takes me right back to where I started before I added on that 4, and then I would have to jump back 2 more in order to show that I'm jumping back a total of 6 red cubes. That means the total distance of the train is now 14 centimeters.